Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter. And here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and travel trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with outside shower, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, automatic levelers, backup camera ready, quad slides, outside speakers, spare tire and carrier, quad step entry, outside kitchen sink, heated enclosed underbelly, roof ladder, LED exterior lighting, outside kitchen pantry, outside kitchen refrigerator, solar power prep, stabilizer jacks, range hood with exhaust fan and light, flush mount gas range cover, pull-out spray faucet, satellite prep, theater seat for two with cup holders, roller shade window coverings, living room fireplace, sofa hide-a-bed with drop-down bunk, mini blinds, dresser with TV stand, electric awning with LED lights, ceiling fan, 2 ACs. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, and toy haulers from some of the most popular brands. So stop by or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 45 years. Welcome to the family.